Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert lead into the deal. It's very easy way how you can do this, and it's got actually a couple of options. So when we are at our Pipedrive account, it's 2022, so some things have changed. We want to go into the first option at the top corner on the left side, which is leads. We can click on the lead, the only one that we actually have going on for us right now, and we have down there the option of convert to deal. We have archive option and also convert to deal. There's one way how we can do this, and the second way is if you have like this column here, those three dots at the end, we want to just convert it to deal. Once we click there, we go with contact person, Marcus Blue. There should be his phone and email, but I haven't actually write it down on this account. Part of Rocket Company, title is Rocket Company Lead, value 100,000 euros. It's pipeline stage, expected date to close, let's go 10th, and entire company, and save. At the moment, new deal, Rocket Company lead created. We can view it right now. But you can obviously see it in the deals for January. Once we click on it, we are on the same page. So, required field, a simple way to improve your data quality. Mark fields as required to ensure your team enters crucial deal dates. Got it. And we see all the activities, proposed times, calls, files, documentation, and also the invoice for you to actually need to install the app. And also with a call, you can make calls from a web app or transfer call to your phone. And also you see there is this meeting that we scheduled with this company about this deal, which is set at Monday 10:15 a.m., which is also the time that we will decide if we won the deal or it's a loss. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about these, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.